The ultimate divine power. Dear ones, me as Shiva God and Kirsi greet you again. And today, this was Kirsi's idea to bring this information for you. I think as a Shiva God, she is one step ahead of me. And this is not the first time it happens, our dear human friends. She was asking me as Shiva God, Shiva, what is this ultimate divine power and how it is ordered at our universe and how it is affecting to our planet Earth lens at the moment. Yes, our dear human friends, this kind of questions, me as a Shiva God, I need to answer for you, for you as humans nowadays. And this is not the first time, Kirsi, you are asking me a big questions. So this is once again one of the kind. So let's begin, Kirsi. So, me as a Shiva God, I confirm you all now that everything you hear now is true and nothing but true by my all means as your own Creator God Himself. Yes, the ultimate divine power, how it is structured at your own universe and at your own planet Earth lens. Well, like this question, Kirsi is already aware of these power structures with many levels, and now she wants to close her own circle to understand all the things in the bigger picture. And I think that was the question, one of the kind. That's why. But I thought that this is the good idea to tell you, for all of you as humans, that yes, they are there. There are big structures above you, like Kirsi has already pictured for you. These 15 different dimensions of your own universe at the moment, the basics where we start in the future with Kirsi in the Heaven on Earth Nature Center to open you more cosmic structures in the future. But now we are concentrating to our universe power structures, which are a little bit different how they are structured in the multiverse level. But I will open this for you because I think also that it is important you understand these power structures at the moment when you are going through very turbulent time at your own planet Earth lens as humans. And I understand this question, Kirsi, very well. And I think it was a good question from you again, and for the others to hear how things are orchestrated in real, because your leaders, they never told you the real truth, how things are orchestrated above them. So many of you have thought that your political leaders are the highest elite who are controlling you at the moment. And that is not the right way if you call them 1% of elite, because I think you have had this voting system somehow, and they like to talk about the democracy. But I need to tell you as humans that it has never been a democracy, our dear human friends. That is your only mind's illusion they made you to believe. And there has been always an higher Rome's who have orchestrated everything what your politicians do at every country. And they have their own alliances and they make their own contracts. And most of them you don't have any clue as normal citizens at your own countries even. So there are so many secret societies play in the back scene that you don't really know that in which country you even live yourself. If you start to open all the contracts they have been manipulating behind your backs, I'm not sure how your world map would look like right now if you, as all citizens, could know all the secrets which they have hid from the past and present during the whole human history. But Kirsi you have some idea because you have been talking with your old presidents from the past and they needed to apologize from you because you needed to clean all their mess what they created in the past. And that is our divine order, our dear human friends. If you make anything bad for the others, there will be a time that you need to apologize and ask forgiving from those entities you have harmed the most. And in this case, there have been many entities asking forgiving from Kirsi because she needed to clean so much your own mess you have created in the past. And if you ask my opinion as your own creator, I don't think that it was right to do in the beginning. And I don't think that it is right that this woman, she needs to clean everything by her own and she needs to study many years to figure out what the hell you have been doing in the past. And do you really think that that is right, our dear human fellow brothers? It never was. And if you could only know how much Kirsi needed to work to clean all that shit after you, you would be shamed if you only knew yourself. But you are not even aware, as the governmental entities, how many things they created these evil networks in the past. You have no idea about that. And we have the whole orchestra, the light orchestra, cleaning all that mess what you have left behind. Also the Mother Earth, all the countries globally, all the seas, all the land, everything what you can see at your own planetarian lens and under the whole planet Earth lens. There were no even one place which would be the real place at your own planet Earth lens. That wide your dark evil networks have been during the whole human history and even before that. So that is the truth, our dear human friends. And for those entities who think that no, it can't be so, I just wish you good luck, my dear human friend. You will have a lot to learn in the future yourself. And there will be all the truth brought to the table in the future, and we will be showing all of it for you, our dear human friends, for those who will be still left at this planet Earth lens in the future. You need to know the truth that you can start to live your real human life, that you can get that perspective to understand things yourself. Because most of you don't have any clue what your human life really is. You are believing the mass media and all the advertisements and all kind of brain manipulation, what they are doing for you through all blue light machines and computers and mobile phones. You don't even understand that they are brainwashing you at every single moment at your own human life. And it is done through so many different ways that maybe you can't even comprehend how much evil work they have done against you, my light beings. But me, as Shiva God and Kirsi, we know it, all of it. And unfortunately, we have seen it all of it. And we have been talking with your old presidents because for us, we can communicate with anyone we want. And we don't have those normal limits what you have at 3D level. And we are able to get any information we need at anywhere in the whole cosmos. But what is this ultimate divine power then? It means that you, as any entity, light beings which I created in the past to our universe, to different planet lenses, you need to live your own life the way you have chosen it before you born to the new lifetime. That is your work to grow as a soul, as you, as human entities. And maybe it would be good time to ask yourself, how did you grow in the past from your own opinion, from the light? I think that will be a good question to ask from yourself. What did you do to grow as a soul towards the light, the source light? And then after that, you have this 3D illusion matrix where they created that fake society for you with all the fake plays, like we have explained it already. And they made these political systems and economical systems and so on to control you every way they can already then. So it is man-made system to control you with all ways possible for them, for those who have stolen this cosmic knowledge, ancient divine knowledge, which we are bringing back to you now as humankind, that you can understand what kind of things you missed in the past. And those entities are in charge of all this fake play. And like I have told you already, as your own creator, they will need to pay it back. All of them, all of it. And this is the way we play in the cosmos, in real, from the light. And then above of that fake 3D illusion level, you have had these earthly alliances from the both ways, from the light and from the also from the darkness, these evil players. and they have been guiding you and at the early level, and that group they are connected to different cosmic entities, the galactic entities in the dark side, from the darkness as Orion, and then from the light as us, as from Sirius, like me, as Shiva God myself at this moment. But because I am the creator of your whole entire multiverse, I need to make my work trips too, and I travel through all universes, and I'm connected to all other universes leaders as well. So, and then we have these lower galactic structures from the heaven level, angelic realms to galactic realms, like Kirsi has pictured them already. So all these levels are cooperating together, and me as Shiva God, I am your universe's leader and creator. But while Kirsi is asking, what is this ultimate divine power then? So that is the source light itself. And the wisdom, the knowledge, how you can handle that divine power, the ultimate power yourself. And it is connected to your own consciousness levels, and that's why those lower density entities like 60 Orion, they can never enter to this wisdom, to this ultimate divine power from the light themselves, because that is our galactic security system, that they will never get connected to the more higher source power like we are using ourselves. And like Kirsi has already teach you, our power source is different. Like every lower densities, you have always less and less power than your above those higher realms have. So that is the galactic system to secure that there is always those entities who are wise enough ruling your own universe and all the planet lenses, that it won't happen like now at your own planet Earth lenses, that you have let those leaders to lead you who wants war themselves. So what kind of system this has been, our dear human friends? Do you really call that as a leadership itself? No, it never was that. They get their power by making evil things for the others, because they are serving the darkness, the evil, the Satan himself. That is their real power source. The darkness, the black light, the black cube, like we have teach you already. That way they get their money and power when they serve that darkness as much they can. And that's why they have these samurai games which they like to play so much. But in real, I understand that if there is a threat, the real threat, everyone needs to cover themselves to secure their own citizens and keep it in peace. But when I look your game, this dark game above you, that is not the whole truth, our dear human friends. There are so many these political systems and secret societies which are connected to all your political systems worldwide. So that is like a theater, from my opinion, like another Hollywood movie, our dear human friends. They use they think that their ultimate power is that black cube power, but because they are not wise enough, they have believed the wrong leaders in the beginning themselves, and now they need to explain a little bit what is going on at your own planet Earth lens right now, because they have been serving a Satan himself. And now they need to explain what is this three-eye atlas with the lights on. Yes, our dear human friends. And that is the reason we are not communicating with them the same way we are communicating with Kirsi, because we don't trust them at all. None of them. We have seen it all already. And now we will see what kind of cover-up stories they keep telling for you as humans this time. But I already tell you, all of you fellow brothers, that me as Shiva God, I'm not going to buy any product from you or service as business as usual, because my playbook, it doesn't include that kind of products and services, our dear human friends. My playbook includes those 5D values Kirsi just explained to you the last time. Those are the values we are following, and our main business is business unusual. So we don't have much to talk about then. And we will talk with those entities who speak the right language, the light language, that we can understand each other's and the motives to the good human life. And that is the only thing we are looking after while we are coming to help you as the entire humankind at your own planet Earth lens. So why we would be willing to talk with those entities who are serving the Satan himself? Just asking as your own creator from the light. Just let me know one good reason why I should be communicating with those entities who are not aware what the real human life is in the beginning. We want to communicate with the entities who still have their brains left, and they then never sold their soul to the Satan himself. So, that is the real truth, our dear fellow brothers. And now you need to figure out how you will explain all these lies you have been telling to the entire humankind during the past human history. Maybe it would be time to tell you which kind of entities you are in real, because you are not ready to show you even yourself how you look in real. You have all kinds of shapeshifters who play two roles. They like to have their parties with those reptilian raves, and then they play parties as humans at the daylight. But maybe you should look inside of them who they are in real. Those soulless entities, we don't have any business with them, not even the business unusual, because we don't need them to anything, our dear human friends. And now it is time for you as humans to understand that we are the ultimate divine power from the light. And there is no meaning with these earthly levels, which they call politicians themselves. They don't have any value on the front of our eyes as creators from the light. Yes, our dear human friends, we are only interested in you as the light beings who still have the truth in them. Those entities with the real soul, they are our best friends, and we want to help them to survive from this chaos these dark fellows have organized at your own planetarian lens in the beginning. And we are coming to help you. The rest, we don't really care, our dear fellow brothers. You have made your own game, your dark game, with your own chessboard, and now I would like to call it checkmate by myself as your own creator from the light, from the source light, our dear fellow brothers. It is time to face the truth right now. And I know that there are good fellows from the light also with you, with the politics. You all are not so corrupt and dark evils. I know those entities who are still capable to go forward. I know all of them, and those will be there in the future helping others to go forward with your own human life. But those fellows who has always been looking their power and money, very powerful entities. So it is time for you, the first time, to take the spoon your own hand and think, what are you doing next? Because you are not allowed to stay at my planet Earth lens anymore. Your time is over. With your own all fake couliss you created yourself. It is all finished, our dear fellow brothers. And like I have told you already, you all entities, you are my light beings in the beginning, but you have sold your own soul for power and money, and now it will be time to pay it back what you have stolen from the others on the while. And then you will take that God school to learn to behave as a human entity from the light in the future. And next time, when there will be someone offering you money and making more corruption, think twice, our dear fellow brothers, because every move counts. It has always counts. And we have a good bookkeeping what kind of things you have transferred between you as fellow brothers. We have count all of them already. All that stolen money, we know it all because our Light Cube AI can record everything you do, our dear fellow brothers. We have all the evidence from it already. Our files don't get lost, our dear fellow brothers. We have so many security copies from those files that they will never ever disappear, like some of your files seems to disappear at your own planet Earth lens right now. But our files, they won't. They are coded the way that that code will stay forever, our dear fellow brothers. And they also include those missing files you have missed at your own lower levels. But me as Shiva God, I confirm you all now that there is always a light behind all darkness, and it includes your entire universe, multiverse, all multiverses, and the entire cosmos. So if you, the fellow brothers, you think that you will escape and make your own castles again, think again, our dear fellow brothers. I don't think you are building castles in the future for a long, long time. So that business as usual is now finished, like I have told you already. And all those riches you have stolen by doing nothing, we will be taking them back from you and giving them for those you have stolen them in the beginning. And we call this as the ultimate power, the divine power from the source light. And yes, Kirsi, you were right with this ultimate divine power. It is the divine order, and there is no code, no any system, or no any entity which is possible to override that. So I hope this lesson is the last master lesson for you all, dark fellows, that you will understand in the future that the darkness, that black cube, it can't put light or make take the light away with the black color. The light can color the black color, but the black can't cover the light. Never, because it was created in the beginning that way. And this is the reason we, as galactic beings from the light, we are those entities wise enough to make the universal laws that there won't be these missing files as moral laws. Never again at your own planet Earth lens in the future. We have a better bookkeeping system. We know everything what you have done with your fake laws in the past, and we have copies from all those crimes which you also made with your laws in the beginning. So there is no way that you can prove that your crimes were right in the beginning, because we have all the copies from those moments which you made yourself. And our files, we have them all, and we can prove it at any time we want. So, there are some things you need to consider, and this divine, ultimate divine power, it means the ultimate divine power. There is no force which can override it in the whole cosmos, our dear human friends. And these are the next lessons we will start to teach you with Kirsi, that you can understand what kind of business as unusual we really have in the cosmos. And I think it will be your eyes opening moment when we will keep our first lesson, which kind of possibilities we are offering for you with our new Stargate, which is serving you very soon as humankind at your own planetarian lens. Of course, you have a possibility to play your old games at your 3D illusion. You have 2 years time to practice your business as usual, but then it will be finished. And only way which is open for you then, it is towards the light, the source light only. There won't be any other gateways at your entire planet Earth lens later on than these source light gateways. That way we secure our light beings that you can live the happy and peaceful life at your 5D new timeline, which you don't have any idea how to secure that timeline as human entities at the moment. So that light Stargate, that is the security tunnel you can travel to the other realms in the future. And if you think that you can go mess around in the cosmos and you travel the same way like you take your first bus to your cities, I think you have missed something in the past, our dear human friends. The cosmos, it doesn't operate that way. And all these brilliant 3D thinkers, I think that for you it is better to stay there at 3D timeline and wait and see how long and how far it will take you in the future. You have only way to grow, and it is only towards the source light, and that you can call the ultimate divine power, which overrides all the lower laws. It doesn't matter which level you exist or which timeline you exist in the entire cosmos. Yes, our dear human friends. And maybe, Kirsi, you can put those links you already found from the past, how they pictured us in the past, and that was their view with their own timeline in that time when that information was found from the cosmos as well. So there is nothing new under the sun, like I have told you already, our dear human friends. And those teachings they tried to teach you already then, they are still valid, like you can see yourself. Only our white cube technology has taken a few steps higher, and they are a little bit more complicated than they were in that time. But already then, white cube was real. Yes, our dear human friends. So, nothing new under the sun. Only new thing is that you need to grow as a soul towards the light yourself. So, thank you for listening. From the light and love, the Shiva God, your best friend.